Hey guys, Rubiksnap here and welcome to the second part video of Megaminx patterns, and this time it's based on algorithms. So the first part video was solving the Megaminx into the pattern you want. It was a little bit more complicated, and for this one you don't need to know how to solve the Megaminx, but anyway I recommend you do because it's very easy to mess up in the middle and then you definitely need to know how to solve it. So in case you need it, I'll also leave my tutorial on how to solve the Megaminx in the description. And let's start with the first pattern, the Superflip. And for this one, we're going to need one move and repeat it several times until we get the final pattern. So pretending white is up, gray is down, we're gonna have to do the same move from all these colors around white, pretending that these colors are facing up. So let's start, for example, by the dark green. Let's pretend that this now is facing up, so let's maintain it like this, dark green on top and light blue facing us. And still white is here and the gray is here, so white is like kinda up and gray is kinda facing down. So let's do it from this angle first, and the move is first we do a setup move, R2 prime, L prime, and then you do this move, R, U, R prime, F, and you do that 7 times, so 6 more times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now let's undo the setup move that we did first, so let's do the reverse, R2, L, and there we go, we flipped all these pieces. So now let's do the second phase, which is to rotate the cube on the white and gray axis. Just rotate it like that to bring the next color that's next to white and keep it facing up. And let's do the same, so R2 prime, L prime, that move 7 times, RU, R prime F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then undo the setup move, R2, L. Now let's rotate to the next one, so holding in the white and gray axis, rotate it like this. Now this is facing up, this is facing you, R2 prime, L prime, RU, R prime F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, R2, L. Next one. And do the setup move. And there we go. There's the Superflip pattern. Really cool. Now to undo it, basically do the same, those 5 times around all the colors around white, and you'll get to the solved Megaminx again. Now the second pattern, this is the snake pattern. And it's really awesome, so it's very simple to do. You basically do a sexy move, R, U, R prime, U prime. In this case I'm facing the white up, and then just do that move again, but first rotate the Megaminx to the left like this, do it again, and rotate again, and do it again, and again, and again, and you're gonna need to do it 9 times in total until the white is solved again, and you get like this cool pattern. This is not the final pattern, but this looks so cool, it's like a topping. And now what you have to do is to turn it upside down, so the gray facing up, and do the same. So first we did it with the right hand, now let's do it with the left hand, and rotate the Megaminx to the other way. So just start in any side, doesn't matter. Sexy move, rotate it the other way, sexy move, and let's do this 9 times in total. And there we go. This is the snake, like going around all the cube, up and down, up and down. And if you look at it from this side, it looks so cool. And from the other side, the same. And again, if you want to return to a solved Megaminx, just do the inverse of what you just did, do it all backwards, and you get back to a solved Megaminx. There we go. And now the third and last pattern, this is a little bit harder, it's a long algorithm, but it's really worth it because this is the cube in cube, or in this case the Megaminx in the Megaminx, I guess. So let's start white facing up, green, dark green facing you, and let's do this algorithm. So be really careful and pay close attention. So back right 2, so this is the back right layer, twice, U2 prime, back right 2 prime, R2, U prime, F2, U2 prime, L2, U prime, back left twice, so that's going down, U2, back left twice prime, so that's going up, U prime, L2 prime, U prime, F2 prime, U prime, R2 prime, back right 2, U2, back right, back left 2 prime, L2 prime, R2 prime, U2, R2 prime, U prime, F2 prime, R2, F2, U prime, F2 prime, U, R2 prime, F2, U, R2, U prime, R2, L2, back left 2, going down, and back right 2, going up. And there we go, really long algorithm, but look at this. And from this angle, there we go, the Megaminx in the Megaminx, or the cube in the cube. How cool is that? So again, if you want to get back to the solved Megaminx, just do what you did backwards, so do the inverse algorithm. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. 3 more amazing patterns with only algorithms. Yeah, hope you liked these 2 videos. Hope this was useful for you. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more patterns and other tutorials. So that's it for this one. Until we meet again in the next video. Bye bye.